The second type of Boolean operator is the logical operator. Okay, and the logical operator is used to connect connect two or more, actually just uh, two Boolean expressions. Connect two Boolean expressions. Okay, so what do I mean by connect? Okay, so you normally what you have is you have one expression on the left and another on the right. Okay, so this is a Boolean expression. This is also a Boolean expression. And then in the middle you have the logical operator. Okay, and this is different from the previous the comparison operator, because in the comparison operators both the left and the right hand sides contain arithmetic expressions or string expressions, not Boolean expressions, right? But in case of logical operators, in both sides of the logical operator, you will have Boolean expressions, okay? And these Boolean expressions are connected, okay, are combined by these logical operators, okay? So you have multiple expressions which are combined by these logical operators. So we will talk about three types of or three logical operators in this module: the AND, OR, and NOT. Okay. So the AND operator returns true if both of these expressions on the left and right are true. Okay. For example, if the variable user has the value Alice and the value of the variable passcode is 97513, then this entire expression will evaluate to true, right? If either of these conditions do not hold, for example, if user is not equal to Alice, but the passcode is this, right? Then it will evaluate to false. Okay, if either of these conditions do not hold, this will evaluate to false. Similarly, if the passcode is not, if the passcode is not this, right, it will also evaluate to false. And obviously, if neither of these holds, it will also evaluate to false, right? So the only situation that this expression will evaluate to true is that both of these conditions are satisfied. That's the AND operator for you. Okay. The second one is the OR operator, which returns true if either one of them or both of them is true. Okay. If at least, it should say if at least one of them, right? If at least one of them. If at least one of the expressions is true, then it will evaluate to true. Okay. Let me clear it. So, so this is the first expression. Is first name equal John, right? Is the first name equal to John, or last name equal to Doe? If either of these expressions are true, then the entire thing will evaluate to true. Okay. Finally, you have the not operator, which sort of reverses the result. Okay. So, for example, in this case, if age is less than 6 or if age is greater than 60, okay, if this expression evaluates to true, the not of that expression will evaluate to false. Okay, so not evaluates to false if the if the result of this expression is true. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, so essentially what this sort of statement what this statement suggests is, give me false if the age is between give me false if the age is less than 6 or it's greater than 60. Okay, so only return true if the age is between 6 and 60. Okay, if the age is less than 6, return false. If the age is greater than 60, return false. Okay, so think about it carefully. Okay, so the not, all it does is it simply reverses the value. Okay, whatever's the value of the expression inside the parentheses, not will return the opposite of that value. If this evaluates to true, not will return false. Okay, and vice versa. So if this is false, not will give you true. Okay.